Hi, I'm Pradip, a passionate and seasoned ESM product manager with over 22 years of experience in ServiceNow consulting, solution architecture, project program management, and IT service delivery. My expertise spans across ITSM, ITTOM, ITTOM, and observability solutions, multi-vendor product, and I've successfully implemented 100 of Wallo business solutions delivering 80-90% AHITIKA. Throughout my career, I've held leadership roles at organizations like Barclays, Datagott, Tough, and Microland, where I've driven digital transformation initiatives, designed enterprise scale service, now integrations, and aligned technology with business outcomes. On the personal front, I'm deeply creative and enjoy diving into the world of music, animation, content writing. Online training in movie script writing, I believe creativity fuels innovation, and I often bring this blend of imagination and strategy into my professional work as well. Whether I am building scalable ESM solutions or crafting engaging content, I strive to deliver value and inspire people around me, always eager to learn, share knowledge, and to collaborate with like minded professionals and creative thinkers.
Welcome to this introduction to the ServiceNow platform, a powerful cloud platform built to automate enterprise workflow and simplify operations across IT, HR, customer service, and more. ServiceNow was founded in 2004 by Fred Luddy. It was originally called GlideSoft and rebranded to ServiceNow in 2006. The company is headquartered in Santa Clara, California, and has been publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange since 2012 under the symbol NOW. Today, ServiceNow is a global leader in cloud-based enterprise workflow automation. More than 80% of the Fortune 500 use its platform. The company offers specialized work awards for IT employees, customers, and creators with a strong focus on innovation through AI, machine learning, and low-code development. ServiceNow's mission is simple: we make the world work better for everyone. Come. The vision to become the defining enterprise software company of the 21st century. It's all about transforming how work gets done and making digital experiences more human and productive. The ServiceNow platform is built on a cloud-native multi-instance architecture. Each customer gets a dedicated and isolated instance for performance, security, and reliability. It's designed for high availability and disaster recovery. Core component includes the Node Platform Studio IDE application scopes, the Configuration Management Database or CMDB, and powerful engines for workflow and flow design. Everything in ServiceNow revolves around tables like task, incident, and CMDB items. Tables inherit fields from parent tables and relate to each other through schema maps, with support for reference fields and many-to-many relationships. ServiceNow uses JavaScript for server-side scripting via the Glide API. You can automate back-end processes with business rules, script includes, and schedule jobs. Front-end behavior is managed with client scripts and TUI policies, and the Flow Designer allows low-code automation integrations. Might service for accessing on-premises systems, and support for WebOps, JD, BC, and import sets. With built-in AI service, Now offers predictive intelligence for routing and categorization, a virtual agent for conversational interactions, performance dashboards, and AI ops for proactive monitoring. Developers can build custom apps using the Studio IDE, manage changes via source control, and update sets, debug code with built-in tools and access documentation through the DevOps portal and API Expo. Security is multi-layered, protecting data infrastructure and applications. ServiceNow is compliant with global standards like PO, SOC, and GDPR, and it offers tools to help customers manage compliance too. Authentication supports single sign-on using SAML Herford and LDAP plus multi-factor authentication. Role-based access control ensures users only see what they need, and scoped apps maintain separation between apps. Access control rules or ACLs define permissions at the table, field, and record levels. They evaluate the user roles, conditions, and scripts, often with glide scripting to dynamically secure the platform. All data is encrypted in transit and at rest. Additional options like edge encryption and field level encryption are available. Each customer gets their own isolated instance for data and application security with firewalls, IP restrictions, and regular patching. ServiceNow logs all system and user activity. It tracks field level changes, integrates with security incident response, and supports real-time alerting and anomaly detection. ServiceNow meets major compliance standards like IEO 27001, SOC 1, 2, and 3, FedRAMP, HCAA, and GDPR. The platform undergoes third-party audits and penetration testing that includes tools for risk and compliance management.